On June 25th, 2025, India achieved a milestone. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, an Indian Air Force test pilot from Lucknow and a key figure in Gaganyaan program, launched aboard Axiom Mission 4, the first Indian to reach space in 41 years. As mission pilot on the SpaceX Crew Dragon Grace, Shukla is not just orbiting the planet, he is cultivating Indian staples like fenugreek and moong dal, studying tardigrades and microgravity effects, and carrying the hopes of 1.4 billion Indians forward in humanity's next chapter. This internationally funded, privately operated mission signals the growing era of commercial spaceflight and India's stepping stone towards its own Gaganyaan crewed mission in 2027. However, the stepping stone from Earth was laid on space almost 7 decades ago. Back on November 3, 1957, the Soviet Union launched Laika, a stray dog from Moscow, aboard Sputnik 2, the first living being to orbit Earth. Laika's mission was one-way though. The technology for safe return did not exist yet, and Soviet officials later admitted her cabin temperature soared to over 90 degrees, causing fatal overheating within just a few hours, killing her during the fourth orbit. Her death sparked global outrage. USSR narratives shifted over time, from claiming oxygen depletion to admitting overheating. In hindsight, Laika became both icon and cautionary tale, prompting ethical reforms in space testing and animal welfare. Laika's journey was marked by confinement, suffering, and sorrow. Today, Shukla enjoys advanced life support, rigorous training, and full agency, symbolizing how far human spaceflight has come. He carried along Indian comforts like mango nectar and halwa, showing that this voyage is not just scientific but deeply human and cultural in nature. Laika's sacrifice reminds us of the early ethics of space exploration, what we owed to living beings. Now, Shukla conducts 60+ experiments, including life-based research with full transparency and collaboration between NASA, ISRO, Axiom, and SpaceX. From a lone dog sacrificed for data to consenting astronauts exploring life, which path we choose defines us. As Shukla orbits above, it's a moment to honor past lessons and a look to a future that built on ethics, partnership, and even pride. I'm Gunjan Handa for the Asian Chronicles.